it's Hannah here, and thanks for coming to my channel. I will be doing a first impression and review of the Glamnetic lashes. I'm really interested to see how these work. I've never tried magnetic lashes, and I know Glamnetic is probably the original brand I remember seeing promoting magnetic lashes. So I'm really excited to see how these work. But before we get into this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me at Thehennaali because I'm always on Instagram if not here on YouTube. And without further ado, you guys, let's get straight into this video. So I have 3 lashes here that I purchased myself from Glamnetics and Glamnetics, and these are the 3 styles that I picked up. I have Fantasy, Vixen, and Bella. These just look like lashes that I would probably wear just because it's been 2 years now since I've been wearing false lashes. Before that, I never used to wear falsies. So I still am not really sure on what styles I like as of yet. So these are the 3 that I kind of liked. I looked on their Instagram, their website, Pinterest, and these are the 3 that I kind of ended up going with. And just to give you guys a price reference, they are $30 each, which is pretty high up, but I know falsies tend to be a little expensive. I usually buy Ardell or Morphe lashes or Kiss lashes, so they're pretty inexpensive. So these are definitely higher priced than I usually pick up. And then of course I did pick up the liner, which is this one right here, and I picked up the So Future magnetic liner pen. They have the other applicator, but I thought a pen is just so much easier to apply liner with. It's their felt tip liner, and this one retailed for $42.99, which is really expensive. Honestly, super expensive for a liquid liner, and I know it has to do because it's with the magnetic and all that, but I still think that's really pricey, especially for felt tip pens. These usually do dry out eventually, so I think it's pretty steep in price. But again, I'm here to see if these magnetic lashes are worth the hype. I'm gonna go ahead and try all 3 styles for you guys, just in case you're looking to see how they look on the eyes, if you're looking to purchase, and then, you know, we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liner first. So if you couldn't tell already, I do have some really pretty colored liner makeup on, and this was using like Urban Decay to do a video for Instagram. So I'm not gonna do a wing liner. I'm just gonna apply a nice line to where we can have the lashes, you know, sit on that. So I'm gonna zoom you guys just a tad bit in so we can kind of see a little closer. All right, so I zoomed you guys a little bit closer, not too much. So here is what the felt tip liner looks like. So it says Glamnetic, and it's the felt tip. I don't want to leave that open for too long because I don't want it to dry out, because that's what usually happens to felt tip pens, which is why I think the $42.99 is a little steep in my opinion. Okay, I'm just gonna shake this up. And I already have mascara on. That looks pretty good. I think that line looks well, but it is a little skippy, the liner, but that can also be because I have the gel pens underneath, but even so, I feel like it's a little skippy, like it tugs a little bit at the eye. Okay, that is good. We have the liner on, and it said to wait for it to dry like 80%, so before applying the lashes. So let's give this a couple seconds. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply, which ones are these? The Vixens first. So here we have how the packaging looks in the container, sitting on a magnetic strip, so it's very easy to just take off and put back on. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me see. Super easily to take off, and they just sit back in the magnet. So I'm not going to use tweezers or anything to put them on. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. So they do have little anchors on the corners of the lashes as well, but I'm not going to use those just because we are kind of just trying it out, and I don't really, you know, I just want to see how it goes on to the liner, if that makes sense. So here we have Vixen. So I don't know if you guys saw that. That was really easy to apply, and I usually always use a lash applicator, but wow, that was super simple to apply on the eyes. Really impressed. Let's go ahead and put the other side as well on there. As you can see right here, I left the anchors there since I'm not going to be really using them. Did you guys see that? Wow. And they look really nice too. If you don't wear falsies, you'll definitely feel like there's something on your eyes, but that's with any kind of false lashes you wear. For me though, these feel so light. I don't really like feel anything on my eyes. They feel like normal falsies, but the amazing part is you don't have to deal with the lash glue, so I totally get. These are really pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these and put them back in their box. So on the instructions, it says to just gently tug at them on the corners. Oh wow, that was super easy to take off. Now I'm gonna take the style Fantasy. That is Fantasy right there. And again, they do have the anchors on here, which I'm not going to be using. And now we're going to apply Fantasy on the eyes. Fantasy is definitely a lot playful, a lot more playful. They look a lot more intimidating in the box. Fantasy on this side. Ooh, those are pretty as well. And they went on super easy. What do we think, you guys? So here are the style Fantasy. All right, I went ahead and saved this one for last just because these were actually ones that I really liked from the get-go and I really wanted to try out. And these are in Bella. This is the style Bella. I was really excited to try these when I saw them on Instagram and on Pinterest. And let's go ahead and apply these babies. Oh yes, I think Bella's are definitely my favorite. And here is what Bella looks like. All right, you guys, so those were the three that I tried. I have on right now Bella. The second one I tried on was Fantasy, and the first pair I tried on was Vixen. I honestly loved all three styles. I definitely understand the hype around Glamnetics and just magnetic lashes. They do not tug at all, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about that sticky lash glue, which is also just a lifesaver, because I really hate when lash glue gets stuck in my lashes or it gets stuck on my eyes the next day. So I think these will definitely become a favorite of mine when resorting to wearing false lashes, just because lately I don't do falsies as much unless it's for Instagram or YouTube. But in just real life, I haven't been wearing false lashes as much as I normally used to. 2019. I think I'm definitely going to be opting out for wearing these when I do feel like wearing lashes out in a full day. I can definitely understand why these are really nice. They're lightweight. Again, that lash glue, I don't have to worry about it. And a lot of times with lash glue and just normal falsies, a lot of times you end up pulling your own lashes. With this, and because it's on the liner, you know for sure you're not messing with your actual lashes, which is also very nice, and they're super pretty. All right guys, so what do I think of Glamnetic and their lashes? As you can tell, I have one on right now, and that is in Bella. I think these are really great lashes. They look pretty. The whole magnetic, just the concept, the innovation behind it is so smart and nice, and I really appreciate it, especially wanting to wear falsies but not messing with your natural lashes. The styles that I got are really pretty. They have so many styles on their website. I was so confused, honestly. But you can even message Glamnetic. This is kind of how I figured that out, but you can message their Instagram page and they'll have customer service help you automatically like pick styles depending on what you normally wear and your eye shape, which is really cool. And I think Glamnetic also has a bunch of sales going on all the time, coupon codes. I used the add-on Honey on Google Chrome, and I always find really great coupons with that. Not sponsored by Honey, but Honey, if you want to sponsor me, feel free, because I use Honey all the time to buy anything online. So I found really great coupons on Honey, using Honey as well to get off them. Obviously, to use these lashes, you need the liner. The liner is a little expensive, so I think you should, I don't know if I would wear these on as like an everyday lash, just because the liner is pretty expensive and felt tips do end up drying out. I know they have a liquid liner, but I saw reviews of that one drying out way faster. So maybe just stick to wearing these for special occasions and just events like that, unless you don't care and you have the coin to spend $45 on a liner, stock up, you're good to go. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Before you go, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do post new videos here every week and sometimes a lot during the week. Also follow me on Instagram at Thehennaali, because I'm always on Instagram if not here on YouTube, and I post a lot of content and just a lot of personal stuff on Instagram as well if you want to get to know me better. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope to see you in the next one and see you guys then. Bye guys.